Outside of the camper, electric retractable awning. Grill. Pop-up shelf. TV hanger. Front door. Separate screen door. Stairs. As you enter the camper, there's the bathroom door with the mirror. There's the slide out, double recliners, an upgrade. I just put one recliner up to show you. We can push it down. Nice high ceilings. A lot of lighting, speakers, vented air conditioning. Very bright. A lot of storage. Queen size bed. TV. Pivots for the bed or for the recliners. Kitchen. Barely used. The whole camper's barely used. Inside the oven. Three-burner tabletop. Sinks. Refrigerator and freezer. Storage, pantry. And then here's the bathroom. Shower. Mirror, storage, sink. More storage. The controls for the interior lights, the awning, porch lights, microwave, overhead storage. We put an extra shelf in there to make more storage. This operates the inside speakers, the outside speakers for surround sound.